Hi, this is Steve at Hilltops IT, and in this video I'd like to explore our QuoteWerks and Monday.com integration. This first iteration of the integration was written for a client who resells IT equipment, quite specialist IT equipment, that they procure for resellers to then sell on to government agencies. They already had a process in place where they collaborated through Monday.com. They would register leads here and through the conversations move the lead through from working to ready to active, and then hopefully when the sale comes into the archive section of the Monday.com board. Depending on whether I'm predominantly a QuoteWerks user or predominantly a Monday.com user, I can start this process off either way I like. As a predominantly QuoteWerks user, I'm going to start from here. As you can see, I've got a quote open that's ready for Monday.com. All I've done is literally register the lead, register the reseller that I'm working with, register the end user that I'm working with. And I'm just going to provide some very minimal information to Monday to start the process off for my colleagues in other departments within my business, and also the reseller to then work in Monday.com to progress the sale through. So the couple of clicks, I have created my new document in Monday.com. I can see it's a new license. I can see it's in process. I've got my SET number or document reference number. The OEM, that was also pulled from the QuoteWerks document, and I've got details of those reseller and end user companies in there. So now the sales process goes through, and perhaps we move to a status of ready. You'll notice that this board item will flick from the working board or subboard to the ready board. Now I'm going to want to get those changes back into QuoteWerks, so I have my tools menu and I have my get changes from Monday.com option. Now this could apply to the document status as I'm demonstrating here. We could also change things like the contact details if we wanted, if they changed, if I was dealing with Joanne Blogs and not Joseph, those types of things. What I'm getting at is this is a kind of two-way collaboration between QuoteWerks and and it doesn't like my status, so let's change that to closed one as well. Okay, so that's the sale gone through. We will see that board item move again down to this archive subboard. As you'll see, it's updated various, well, not various, it's this one detail that I changed on the QuoteWerks document. As I mentioned, the process could start from either side. If I'd created new items in Monday.com, I've got this get new items from Monday.com option. I can also delete the item on Monday.com, which I will do just for the purpose of the demo. And there you'll see it, or not see it as the case may be. It's been deleted from Monday.com. So I hope that's of use, of interest. Here's just a brief overview. There's all manner of things that we could do with this depending on your particular use case. I'll put this link in the description of the video for you to get more information if you want. I'll also put a link to our Contact Us page And if you want to know more, then please get in touch.